Potatoes from the garden. Beautiful, beautiful potatoes from the garden. I wood chipped this for about, this was the first spot that I put my compost and wood chips about 2 years ago. And I kept wood chipping and putting compost and horse manure and various things on it since. So it has a lot of nutritious soil right here. It's so nice. And these potatoes are so delicious. Oh, it's kind of green. Anyway, I have a giant corn growing right here. Oh, my potatoes. Getting full.